students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the sixth question in exercise 4.2. If A is a square matrix of order 3 and determinant of A is equal to 4, then write the value of determinant of 2A. So we need to know the property. Determinant of 2A is equal to 2 to the power n into determinant of A, where n is going to be the order of this particular matrix. So if you look at this, this is going to be 2 into, remember this is a 3 cross 3 matrix, so 2 power 3 into determinant of A. So this is 8 into, the determinant's value of A is given already to be 4. So the given determinant's value is going to be equal to 32. So determinant of 2A is going to be 32. In the next video, we will find the solution for the seventh question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.